Sled Boys coming in hot. Look out for us, summer 2019. Good morning, weekenders. We got Benji here for his birthday. We were gonna come skiing, but we just got to the place and it's closed, so have a little snowball fight, and Logan's gonna go down this. So we got some news. The power is out at the resort, so we're gonna do some more of Logan snowboarding right here on the edge of the road, and that's the plan for right now. Alright guys, we're done with the snow, and glad to be done with the snow. We didn't have any snow boots or anything, so got some wet feet, wet pants, wet socks. We're at the airport now, about to go take the old crusty duster up for a little tour around the city. Pretty much just a sightseeing flight. First time flying with that many passengers though, and it was a good bit different. Plane was a lot heavier and didn't think I would notice as much, but I did. As you guys know, it wouldn't be a weekend vlog without throwing a little frizz. So we are now done with the disc golf. I actually ended up losing to Logan yet again, unfortunately. He ended up 7 under par and I ended up 3 under par, I believe. I was using a brand new disc though that I wasn't really quite used to, so that's my excuse for this time at least. We also went out and had some dinner right after the disc golf. So now it is late and I'm gonna be heading off to bed, so see you in the morning. Good morning, weekenders. It's Sunday now. We actually ended up playing a quick round of disc golf this morning, and I didn't film it because it's not really the most interesting content, but I ended up beating Logan by 8 at Hart Park. Benji ended up quitting on hole 4, and now we're gonna go do a little bit of free riding over at Logan's house, so I'm gonna unload the bikes from the van and we're gonna get going.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. first saw you.
All right, well, we're up in the mountains now. We're gonna come on a little hike. I thought there'd be a little bit of snow, so we brought some sweaters and stuff, but we can't even make it to the actual trail. There's so much snow, it's a little bit funny. We're gonna walk down the snow for a little while, see what kind of mischief we can get into, and that's about it for now.
My world stops spinning. No, my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning?
Hey guys, it's your boy here, Got Benji. Just dropping in to tell y'all the truth of what happened. You know, trying to come up with some idea. And someone's like, oh, let's go hiking. I know this trail. This is the trail. Benji, did you know it was gonna be cold?
No, not at all.
I don't know if you can tell, but I didn't expect it to be cold either. So your boy here really pulled a fast one on us.
Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too.
And action. Hey guys, it's Logan Grills out here with a survival tip. If you ever find yourself stranded in the frozen tundra like we have, and you need some hydration, grab the water here. It's fresh, it's clean, perfect. Stay tuned for more updates.
Should I stop where I'm falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?
We're out of the snow now. We're on the drive back, and Logan's been itching to climb up some rocks, so we found this little miniature waterfall and rocks to there. Goal is to make it to the top, but no promises.
Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too.
Well guys, we didn't make it all the way to the top. Made it probably 2/3 of the way up. It is getting dark pretty fast. Had a very beautiful sunset out there overlooking this nice valley. We're gonna start heading downhill now, which is much scarier than going up, by the way. But after that, weekend's gonna be over. Overall, had a pretty great time this weekend, doing some pretty out of the ordinary stuff for the most part. But other than that, that's gonna be it for this weekend. Thanks for joining me, and see you guys next weekend. Croissant!